What's going on, y'all? Back at it once again. But I got another scenario on hand, and this happens a lot more often than what people actually think. So what you're looking at is a CT Sounds Meso 12, and for the cutout listed online, it's 11.14. So I actually made this cutout on this box here 11 and a quarter for the cutout diameter, and it still didn't fit in. So I'm sitting here saying, did I do something wrong? And I always got to double, triple check myself. I come back and I make an adapter ring, which is 11 and 5/16 or 0.3125 for the cutout size it works for. That happens a lot where the size that's listed online is wrong, and it comes back on the builder for not cutting the sub out to the right size. So it's just something to keep in mind, man. Something to keep in mind. Pretty easy process though. We'll just attach this ring to the front, trim it out, remove the ring, and do the bottom layer. So we got to do that twice for both sides, and then we'll repaint it again. We got one side cut. As you can see, it's seated properly. It just takes a few minutes for this process. It don't take long at all, maybe about 10 minutes. So let me take this sub out. I already have my ring attached for this side. I can go ahead and get that cut out, and we will be done. Maybe do some touch-up painting on here. Yep. Let me show y'all how to do it. For the job here, this is what I use. DeWalt DW 611 trim router, hand trim router. It's pretty small, compact size. But the bit that you're gonna need is that guy right there. Something that has a bearing at the top and cuts what's below. So, and this one here actually comes with two bearings, but I just took off the bearing on the other end there. So let's get this cut out. And as you can see, we just cut off maybe like 1/16 of an inch, but it has that step. So now I can remove this ring, and I'll just go around it again to clean up that final pass. So just like that, it is done. Now we have the new proper cutout dimension or diameter. I can call my customer and let them know that, hey, got it fixed. I'm gonna do some touch-up painting, and we'll get this thing on home. So off to the next. All right, you guys, and that's pretty much it there. Sum it up, it's a super easy fix. Just got to know what you're doing, have the tools to do so. It takes just a couple of minutes, but just have to keep that in mind that even the manufacturers make mistakes too, so they sure do. But hey, we're at the best point of all. Got a sub wired up for him. I have one, he has the other, so let's try to drop this bad boy in. Like a glove. And just like that, you ready to get those things in, get them hooked up and banging. I'm sure a lot of people experience this issue from time to time, so it's just a little tip and trick for you. But if you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. And until next time, my fellow bass heads, peace.